Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot syncing issues in X, formerly known as Twitter. First of all, if your posts, messages or notifications aren't syncing properly, make sure you have a stable internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue resolves. Next, try closing the X app completely and reopening it. Sometimes a quick restart fixes temporary glitches. If that doesn't help, open your settings app. Then tap on General followed by iPhone Storage. Now scroll down and find X from the list of apps and tap on it. After that, tap on Offload app to clear the app cache. This refreshes the app without deleting your data. Also, check if you're logged into the same account on all your devices. If you're using multiple accounts, you might be viewing the wrong one. Lastly, make sure your app is updated to the latest version from the App Store or Google Play Store. Outdated versions often cause syncing problems. And that's all. With these quick fixes, your X app should start syncing smoothly again. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos, and thank you for watching.